Have you ever asked the question, why does my keyboard sound like that? Welcome to the first episode of a series where we will be exploring what really shaped your keyboard sound, from mounting styles, materials, to mods, foams and more. Today I will be testing 3 desk setups, quartz, wood and a regular desk, to show you how much your surface changes your board sound and why. Sound travels through your keyboard, into your desk and back into the air. Add a Deskmat and you're muting those vibrations. Wood with no Deskmat is my absolute favourite. Naturally warm, no damping needed. The Deskmat just softens it too much for me, but again it's just preference. Here's how my board sounds on quartz with no Deskmat. It's super sharp, with clean highs, but harsh if you're not into that black. That khaki edge is often softened and your board sounds more marbled or muffled. So your desk is only one part of the puzzle, but the internals of your board are just as important. If you want more keyboard content, builds, tests, mods and clean visuals, subscribe and follow along.